Hey everyone, want to connect your AirPods to your Samsung phone? It's super easy and I'll show you how to do it step by step. AirPods offer an amazing audio experience and you can enjoy that on your Samsung phone too. So let's dive in and get started. First, on your Samsung phone, open the settings. Then tap Connections. Tap on Bluetooth. Toggle this on. After that, bring your AirPods closer to your Samsung phone. Make sure that the AirPods are inside the case. After that, open the lid of the case. Now you will need to enable the pairing mode for this AirPod. On some AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold that for a few seconds to start pairing. For this model I'm holding, double tap at the front of the AirPod, right below the place where the green light shows up. Once you double tap, the green light will turn white and start blinking. With this, the AirPod will now be available on your phone's Bluetooth settings. Just tap on the AirPod on the Bluetooth settings and select Pair. You've now successfully paired your AirPods with your Samsung phone. From now on, just take out your AirPods and enjoy them however you like. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more AirPod tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.